audible from here? Yeah. Please raise your hand. You plan to join social sector. Imagine your faculties are not here. People who want to join social sector. Just raise your hand. We are not looking at your faces, so don't worry.
So please use mouse.
I am plan to do a startup maybe 5 years down the line. Wonderful, equally. If you want to join the corporate world, forget rural. मेरे को तो पैसा कमाना है. Okay? But one last question, and this is the last I promise. If you have gone through the pre-need material that I have circulated, Pragati would have circulated. Nobody? Just curious to know. I'm not going to punish you for this. Curious to know because accordingly then I'll plan my session and give you examples accordingly. Because I may definitely want to talk about Tech Mahindra Foundation as well, but I don't want to talk about only Tech Mahindra Foundation. So I'll give you some idea of what we do and weave in our experiences, my individual experiences, collective experiences of Tech Mahindra Foundation and what I've learned from the books. So we'll try to weave in all of it. But before we get into framework, let's think of some of the problems that we face in the social sector too, and what are the pitfalls that you may see. These are the pitfalls that you may see, and you may not be able to build the organizations or a project or your career accordingly, which will not last longer. There are few pitfalls that every organization faces. First, especially this is specific to social sector, dependency on external funding agencies.
That's what 1947 to 1980 we did as a country. Second generation scaling पे खेलती है कि अब survival की कोई झंझट है ही नहीं. We have to scale now. Whatever has been given for the first generation, now we have to go and we have to scale in the second generation. Third generation. Scaling की कोई झंझट ही नहीं है अभी. Already second generation has done the job of scaling. The third generation role is diversification, which is what currently India is looking for. This nation is now at the cusp of diversification. जो आप सारे के सारे एक कस्बे से, डिस्ट्रिक्ट से, शहर से, गांव से आ रहे हैं, go back and look कि आज से 40 साल पहले, 20 साल पहले आपकी उस जगह को फेमस कहा जाता था. एग्जाम्पल, मैं सूरत से आता हूँ. For a brief period of the city, we were known to be a city of textiles and diamonds. But to give you interesting data, 7 out of 10 solar panels across India are now manufactured in Surat. 8 out of 10 heart stands are now manufactured in Surat. 9 out of 10 huge arcade entertainment parks across the world, now all the brands are from Surat. What is happening? Diversification. So think this country not as a country, but as a company where all of you are responsible to take this company ahead. Third generation entrepreneur, बहुत different responsibility होती है.